received this as a gift a while back. I was not going to do a video until I was ready to use it because I didn't want to open it up. It looked pretty nice from what I saw just from opening the top up, and you'll see what I mean. So my wife's looking for some type of surge protector. She wants to make her room look different, and I'm hoping that this fits what she's looking for. She's looking for some USB chargers in white, and I'm hoping that this solves her issue. So this is the, I don't even know, it was a gift from a very, I'd like to say a very good friend of mine. His name is Dick DiBartola, and he is a Mad Magazine. Remember the Mad magazines? He's a writer for that publication, and he does a weekly podcast called The Gizwiz on Thursday nights with OMG Chat. So I actually watch it as often as I could. Sometimes, a lot of times I can't catch it, but I always try. That's a pretty cool show. If you have not seen it, please subscribe. They have their own webpage, gizwiz.biz. They also have a streaming where they stream their videos live on Thursday nights at 7 p.m. at gizwiz.tv. You can also find them on YouTube, Gizwiz, Gizwiz. OMG Chad, he does videos on Minecraft. He's famous for that and for the Gizwiz. I believe this is from Amazon. I'm gonna have to look it up, and I'll leave the link below. I'll have this all below. Cool. It's actually beautiful. Very pretty. I think my wife's gonna really like it. It has a braided cable. It has a flat braided cable. Let's take a look at it. Really thick, very well made cable. This is nice. Very nice. Let me measure the cable so I can let you know how far you can be from the plug. And, well, too long. Over 6 feet, 77 inches, or 77.5 inches. 6 feet 5 inches. 6 feet 5.5 inches. Really nice. The actual unit itself, it's really nice looking. From top to bottom, from left to right. This is a really nice unit. Rubber little feet if you're gonna put it flat. Really nice. I like it. Not very heavy. Pretty light. I have some surge protectors pretty heavy. Not heavy at all. Get a closer look. All detailed info will be below. 6. Anker makes some really great products. On and off button. I love the braided part of the cable. You can wall mount it. going to be adding some more USBs as she needs. More USBs, and she needs actual plugs. Pretty cool. I like it a lot. I think she's going to like it also. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.
Anker Surge Protector Power Strip, 6 outlet and 3 Power IQ USB charging ports. USB Power Strip, Power Port Strip 6 with 6.6 foot long extension cord, flat plug, for home, office, and more. Model, A9161, 1280 Joule. 11-2022. Cost, $33.99. Amazon. Brand Anker. Color white. Total power outlets 6. Voltage 125 volts. Item dimensions LXWXH 8.98 x 3.74 x 1.18 inches. About this item. Big expansion, 6 AC outlets and 3 USB charging ports, 18W total USB output, provide power and charging for up to 9 devices from a single wall charging unit. Advanced charging technology, delivers an optimized charge to USB devices using Anker's world-renowned Power IQ charging technology. Superior safety, advanced surge and overload protection, combined with fire-resistant casing and a safety switch, keep you and your devices safe. Room for all. Extra space between each AC outlet provides room for larger plugs, and the space-saving 45 degrees plug design keeps the other wall outlets free. What you get: Power Port Strip 6 with 6.6 feet cable, welcome guide, worry-free 18-month warranty, lifetime $100,000 connected equipment warranty, and friendly customer service. For the purpose of this connected equipment warranty, lifetime is defined as the lifetime of the product. Anker. We want you to live without the inconvenience and uncertainty of where your next charge is coming from. Our chargers and accessories don't just power up your devices, they offer the tech experience you want with 0 restrictions. Ultra compatibility. The 3 PowerAC-enabled USB ports provide optimized charging for iPhone and Samsung phones, plus a wide range of accessories including Apple Watch, AirPods, and Bluetooth speakers. Surge protection. Sudden increases in voltage can damage your electronics and destroy irreplaceable data. Protect your devices from sudden surges and spikes up to 1280 J with our advanced surge protection. Multi-protection. Overload protection, an internal safety shutter, and a fire-resistant casing combine to make this one of our safest power strips. Superior safety. The electronic microswitch reduces internal temperature and controls current output, extending the lifespan of your power strip. Optimized layout. Extra space between each AC outlet provides room for larger plugs, and the 45 degrees plug design keeps other wall outlets free. The Anker advantage. High-speed charging. Join our family of over 50 million happy users, and change the way you charge. Model number, A9161. Power Port Strip 6. The power strip with 3 USB charging ports. From Anker, America's leading charging brand. Faster and safer charging with our advanced technology. 50 million plus happy users and counting. Expanded power. Charge and power up to 9 devices at the same time with 3 optimized USB ports and 6 AC outlets. Compatible with 144V outlets. Power IQ. Charge an iPhone XS up to 1 hour faster with Anker's world-famous charging technology. Power IQ detects connected devices and adjusts voltage output to deliver a tailored, high-speed charge. All-round safety. a fire-resistant exterior, overload protection, 1280J surge protection, and a child-friendly internal safety mechanism combine to create a strip that's as safe as it is powerful. Safety switch. Instead of an ordinary mechanical switch, PowerPort Strip 6 uses an electronic microswitch. This innovation lowers internal temperature, controls current output, and provides complete protection for your appliances. Compatibility. iPhone XS XS Max XR X88 Plus 77 Plus 6S 6S Plus 65S 5, iPad Pro Air Series Mini Series, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus S10 S10e S9 Plus S9 S8 Plus S8 S7 Edge S7 S6 Plus S6 S5. Also compatible with AirPods, Apple Watch, GoPro, other smartwatches, USB speakers, and more. Max power output. AC, 1875W at 125V 15A, DC, 12W at 5V 2.4A, max per USB-A port and 18W total for 3 USB-A ports. Does not support Qualcomm Quick Charge. Note: compatible 100-144V outlets. Not suitable for international travel. Each USB port has a maximum output of 12W.